Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could transform your cat care routine, the Eyesun Automatic Litter Box. We found this innovative self-cleaning litter box online and added the link in the description, so you can check its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Eyesun Automatic Litter Box? This is a spacious, open-top self-cleaning system designed not just for one cat, but for multiple cats and even larger felines. It caters to cats weighing between 3.3 to 22 pounds, making it an excellent choice for households with various cat sizes. The open-top design encourages natural entry and exit, allowing your cats to feel comfortable and secure while using it. Now, let's talk about some standout features. One of the most impressive things about the Eyesun Litter Box is its dual safety technology. It employs both weight sensors and infrared detectors to ensure your pets are safe during operation. If your cat re-enters the box while it's cleaning, the system automatically pauses, allowing for a stress-free experience for both you and your furry friends. With a generous 9-liter collection bin, you won't have to worry about frequent emptying. This is a game-changer for busy households or for those transitioning from traditional litter boxes to a more automated solution. Imagine never having to scoop again, just set it up and let it do its thing. Another highlight of this product is the Smart App Control feature. You can manage cleaning cycles, track your cat's activity, and adjust settings all from your smartphone. This is particularly useful for busy pet owners who want to keep an eye on their pets while they're away from home. Whether you have one cat or several, this smart unit is designed to handle the demands of a multi-cat environment. Sound is often a concern with self-cleaning litter boxes, but the Eyesun operates at a whisper-quiet 44 decibels. This means it won't disrupt your cat's sleep or your own, making it ideal for homes where peace and quiet are a priority. Whether you place it in a bedroom or an apartment, you can count on it to run softly in the background. Now, let's not forget about odor control, a crucial feature for any litter box. The Eyesun Automatic Litter Box includes advanced odor control technology along with a deodorizer, ensuring your home stays fresh. Cleaning is also a breeze, thanks to its removable parts, which means less time spent on maintenance and more time enjoying your cats. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a cat owner juggling multiple pets or a large cat, this automatic litter box could be a perfect fit. It's also great for anyone looking to reduce the daily chores associated with traditional litter boxes. If you have a busy lifestyle or limited mobility, the Eyesun Automatic Litter Box provides a hassle-free solution to keep your home clean and your cats happy. In practical use cases, imagine coming home from a long day at work and not having to scoop litter. You can simply check your app to see how your cats are doing and let the Eyesun handle the rest. Or, if you have elderly cats who may need extra help, this self-cleaning system provides them with a clean space without requiring any extra effort from you. In conclusion, the Eyesun Automatic Litter Box is a reliable self-cleaning solution that can significantly ease the burden of cat care. With its spacious design, smart features, and low maintenance, it's worth considering for any cat owner, especially those with multiple pets. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.